want it. We're so hungry. And this time we're not just hungry, we are craving.
Cravings are just about satisfying a memory.
It's like an itch that you can't quite scratch. If you want to explore your deepest, darkest, sweetest, tastiest food dreams, here's food to drive you mad. Because we know our food, and this time we let nothing stand between us and the best places to go to when you get that craving. It's time to go mad. Food mad! Everybody looking, everybody
आसमान से बरस रही आग से झुलस रही राजधानी दिल्ली। पारा 45 डिग्री तक पहुंच चुका है, यानी बढ़ती हुई गर्मी में क्या जल जाएगी दिल्ली?
आज का टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा है।
बहुत गर्मी है वैसे आज तो पसीने सारे लोग भीग रहे हैं।
It is very hot today.
It's almost there. Almost. Come on, you can do it.
इतनी गर्मी में ठंडा ठंडा जूस पी के दिल खुश हो गया मेरा। As you can see, it's really hot, so I'm drinking this lemon juice.
Juice or glucose?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Here's my big. Okay.
Wow. Now we're talking. Cheers. We've been here drinking the juice for the last 30 years. And Suruchi has been around for 35 years serving this juice to people in the heat. And why do you get such a strong craving for juice in the heat? Because your sucrose and fructose levels fall, sir. What is it, sir? Please give us the technical data.
In a nutshell, Delhi, summer, 45 degrees. You are drying up, you're perspiring, all your critical elements, minerals are leaching out through your perspiration. You need energy, you need revitalization. Along comes juice, fructose and sucrose. Breaks down very quickly, sugar in your body, lots of energy.
Energy drink, power, red colored, fresh and makes you lively. Are you feeling lively already?
Very. Would you like to show you my little maraca dance?
Yes, good, thank you. Now,
this is what juice does to you.
It's your turn to carry me back. Let's go.
Sir, 3 jugs, 4 more jugs of juice and I can do it.
Cheers. Let's have a drink. We Indians all, from the north of the country to the south, have a love for everything that's fresh and everything that's good. And in the heat, nothing quite kicks in like juice does. So you'll find a profusion of juice stands opening all across the country, and you can get fresh juice. And that's the important thing to understand about our great country. Eating habits change as seasons change because the produce becomes different. This fantastic carrot and sir, अनार को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Pomegranate. Educated आदमी है ना इसलिए पता हम तो.
Carrot and pomegranate juice, which is my favorite when I come over here, is an important thing to have. This is the taste that we love. In addition to just giving you a cooling feeling through the summer, it also gives you fructose and sucrose, as you might have guessed, and that's why you crave it.
All you young people watching this, forget all these flavored sodas and all these drinks. Go for the healthy option. It will satisfy every possible thirst that you have and it will keep you healthy. लेकिन यार juice is all very good, but और भी कुछ बनता है. It's hot.
बनता? हाँ. I have just the thing for you.
You do?
हाँ. What? सुनील भाई अभी जग लेके आते हैं, बस खत्म हो ही गया, बस हो ही गया. Come on, come with me. I'll show you.
Banta.
Wow.
It's a hot day. I'm ready to take a banta.
बंटा अच्छा लगता है पीते हुए.
और ये नींबू है, लेमन है, बंटा है, सोडा है, काला खट्टा है, ये स्पेशल पीना है तो इधर आइए.
काफी फेमस है दिल्ली का.
when you're out in the heat and you're sweating and you're thirsty and you can't focus, come here and satisfy your thirst.
This place is famous for masala banta or a soda shikanji. And what is a shikanji? It is essentially lemon with a bit of spice and masalas and a very special ingredient, that's secret masala which they all add, which they all make on their own to produce this. And how does it taste? Mayur, tell me, because I've never had one before.
Fresh, lime, lemony, a little bit of a bite at the end thanks to the masala.
How wonderful.
And most of all, it tastes of memories, because almost everybody we know has grown up drinking this drink.
And milk comes out of cows. What does the base of shikanji come out of? It comes out of this. You said thanda to banta hai. This is the famous banta. And what is it? Take a look at that. It's a bottle with some kind of lemon drink in it that's been around for 141 years and has remained unchanged. All you have to do is put your finger in, and alas, some people's fingers have become too fat to go down the bottle anymore. So I will have to leave you to do the honors.
Today's 21st century age of technological marvels, there's a bottle that is stoppered with a marble. This is the relic of the past. It's been around forever and it is one of those few things that survived in today's modern age.
After the extinction of the Jurassic era, the banta is all that came out of there. Dinosaurs used to drink this.
T-Rex is dead.
They used to put one claw in it, open it. The best time to have it is during Christmas, because then Santa Claus will come and you'll have Fanta and Banta jokes together. It is really funny what all you can do with this drink.
Are you a tourist visiting Bangalore? Is the heat getting to you a little bit? Are you a little tired? In the need for an energetic, cool pick-me-up? Do what every local in Bangalore does. Come to Asha Sweets and try some cold badam milk. Wow! Asha Sweets, milking it since 1951.
In Bengaluru, you have little places like Medina stores to satisfy your thirst. They sell flavored sodas, which I am going to order, sir. One berry soda, one mint lime soda, and one kokum, please.
Sir, एक गुजार बीच सोडा और एक आमला और एक रूह अफ़ज़ा for old time's sake.
Ruh Afza is a really good drink to have, and it's a very sort of Indian flavor. So when you're out on the street, you want to quench that thirst, you should go with a Ruh Afza soda. At least I will. Or maybe two. In which case you have a berry and a mint. And my drinks are ready. Sir, thank you.